with the room on the left side, and that goes off Cabina's stick high. Wellwood sends this back around, and jumping in from the left point, Oduya. Score! Andrew Ladd! Johnny Oduya jumps in. Andrew Ladd tips it. 4-1.
And when you're struggling to score, the easiest place to get one is right in front of the net. Andrew Ladd works so hard to get up the ice in this play. Hangs in there, good pinch by Oduya. Quick release to the front of the net, looking for a tip. And Andrew Ladd right on top of the paint. Doesn't let Rolston get out challenged. Good stick, tips it down and through the 5-hole. Andrew Ladd with the good hands.